For the ultimate in corrosion and NEMA IP protection, Bud's popular NBF series can't be beat due to its completely plastic construction. All of the products in the family are designed to IP66 and NEMA 1, 2, 4, and 4X, with the polycarbonate versions UL listed and provided in either an indoor or outdoor version. All of the units in this series have a durable poured gasket and rugged latches designed for repeated opening without damaging the integrity of the box. As you can see, this series can withstand not only hose down situations, but also pressure washing that makes it ideal for everything from a factory floor to outdoor agricultural applications. With its plastic construction, it is also completely corrosion resistant and keeps all internal components dry, including my business card. It comes in 23 different sizes, and all are available in ABS plastic or polycarbonate. The polycarbonate models can have either an opaque or clear lid and are available in a UV stabilized version that allows for outdoor applications. Included are mounting bosses for easy installation of equipment, as well as stainless steel mounting brackets. Optional features include a galvanized steel or plastic mounting panels, as well as vents and cable glands. Your favorite Bud distributor has a complete stock of the NBF series ready for immediate shipment, as well as details about Bud's industry-leading 5-day modification program. For more details, contact Bud Industries at saleseast@budin.com, call us at 440-946-3200, or check out our website at www.budin.com for all features including detailed drawings. Thank you.